A very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, let's do a revision on the topic worksheet 2 word. So in today's session, let us do the exercise A. So in exercise A, we have to do few exercises related. There are few words we have to learn it as such. Okay, so fill in the missing alphabet to make meaningful words. So before that, before we move on to the exercises, let's have a short recap on what we have already learned. We know how many letters are there in English alphabet. Okay, how many letters, children? How many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
When these letters are arranged in a proper order, what do we get? What do we get?
Word.
Word. Very good, very good. So what is a word then? Then what is a word then? What is a word? A word is a, what is a word?
Group of letters giving
Group of letters.
word.
Yes, a group of letters arranged in a proper order, giving a meaning. Group of letters has to be arranged in the proper order. Have you understood? It should be arranged in the proper order. Giving a meaning is called a word. And in the last session, we have seen many words. Okay, I have taught you one syllable word as well as more than one syllable word. I have taught you how to sound out each word as such. Okay, there are
Page number 2.
number 4, my dear. Okay, so let's move on to today's session. Okay,
Okay.
so all of you please do keep a book along with you. All of you please do open page 4 and just check whether you have completed all the exercises, answers written properly, so that it helps you to learn well. Tell your parents to put a tick mark if you have completed page 4, page 5 and page 6. Okay, so you should be ready for the test. So the see that you have completed all the notes as well as the workbook exercises. Okay, so let's move on to it. Okay, so we'll be doing a thorough revision of worksheet 2. Especially today, we can't do the full exercises, all the exercises. So today, in today's session, let us do exercise A. Are you all ready? Okay, so we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. When the letters, group of letters, when joined together in a proper order, giving a meaning, it is called a word. So when it comes to the word, we have many things to learn. Okay, so first we have to identify the word, we have to know its sound, we have to learn the spelling of the word. So many things, okay, we have to know about the word. So first we have understood it is a bird. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to identify whether it is a one syllable word or a two syllable word. Yes, we know there is only one vowel in it, so it is a one syllable word. If it is a one syllable word, what we have to do, we have to sound out through its individual sound. So each letter has a phoneme sound. Okay, they have a distinct sound. Okay, each letter has a distinct sound. So for the letter B, it has a sound, that is B. Okay, it is B, bird. So as you write the word, children, sound out the words as you write, so that you will learn the spellings automatically. So here we have identified that this word is bird, yes. Now it is a one syllable word as it has only one vowel in it. Now we have to learn the spelling of the word. How is that we are going to learn the spelling? If it is a one syllable word, we have to sound out through its individual sound. Each letter has a sound. Okay, so B, the letter B has a sound, that is B. Okay, so as you write the spelling, you sound out the word as you write B, R. So this IR has a combined sound, that is R, and D has a sound of D. So it is bird. So this is the way you will learn the spelling of the word bird. Have you understood? Similarly, let's move on to a few other words too. Okay, dough, dough. I told you when there are two vowels when come together, only one is talking, the other one is sleeping. Have you understood? I've already told you. We can't consider it as a two-syllable word. Okay, when the two vowels come together, it is a one-syllable word because only one does the talking and the other one is sleeping. Okay, so it is do. So D has a sound of D, O, R. Okay, so it is do. So as you write the word, I wanted all of you to take your pencils in your hand, sound out the words as you write, and take your pencil and start writing. Why means we are going to learn the spelling. Only unless if you know the spelling, when you see the word, you should be able to identify the word first. And the exercise will be given like this. Fill in the missing alphabet to make the meaningful word. We have to identify the word. We have to know the spelling. Only then we will know which alphabet is missing there. Okay. So we have to know the word well. I request all of you to take your pencils in your hand and sound out the word as you write. So it is do. So we have identified. Ayush, all of you please do take your pencils in your hand. Yes, all of you please do take your pencils. Do. All of you sound out the word. It is do. So sound out each sound. So da, sound out through its individual sound. Each letter has a sound. Da, o, do. Write it. Okay. When you write the word, children, sound out the word as you write. Okay. Each letter has a distinct sound. So sound out the words as you write. So letter D has a sound of D. O, so it is do. Write it all of you. D, O, do. Write it. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. It is, we have identified the word. It is fish. Yes, it is a one-syllable word. Now we are going to learn the spelling of the word. How is that we are going to learn? F has a sound of F, I has a sound of E, and SH has a combined sound that is sh. Okay, so F, E, sh, fish. So as you write the word, you sound out the word, children. Otherwise, you may find it very difficult to learn the spelling of all the words. I've taken only few words here. Okay, fish. So that you write it only once. It doesn't take much time. Fi, fa, ish, fa. It is ish, ish, fish. Please do write it. Now let's move on to the next word. Let's move on to the next word is a ship. So similarly, it is sh, e, p. So it is ship. S-H-I-P. It is ship. So how is that we are going to sound out the word? It is sh, e, p, ship. Okay, all of you please do write it once. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. It is mouse. Okay, it is mouse. It is a two-syllable word. If it is a two-syllable word, what did I ask you? How did you find out it's a two-syllable? As I've told you, it is when there are two vowels come together, it is considered as one vowel. Okay, it is considered as one syllable. Okay, so I said only one does the talking and the other one is sleeping. I told you. So it is mouse. Okay, so all of you please do sound out the word. It is mouse, M-O-U, mouse. It is S-E. Okay, so there are two syllables in this word. So mouse, mouse. Okay, now I hope all of you are writing it. So if the word has one syllable, children, spell through its individual sound. So each letter has a distinct sound. So we have to sound out through its individual sound. Okay. Now let's move on to the next word. It is class. So C-L, cl. Class. Cl. This is, it has a combined sound. So class. Okay. So if it is a one syllable word, this is the only way to sound out the word through its individual sound. Each letter has a distinct sound. So class. Similarly, you write and learn. Okay. As you write the word, sound out each sound. That is class. Okay. So I hope you have learned this word. Now let's move on to the next word. So here is the exercise for you. So I told you to complete it. I hope all of you have completed it. Yes, have all of you completed it? Yes, the answer keys are also being sent to you. I hope you have completed it. So in today's session, we are only looking at these exercises, I hope. Okay, so what we have to do is, yes. So which letter has to be inserted here? This letter cat has three sounds. So t. It is cat. Okay, so we know this word is cat. So we have to insert the letter A. This word is can. So n. So it is can. Okay, the answer keys are also being sent to you. This is den. This is man. Please, leg. It is gun. And this word I told you, the two vowels come together. Okay, so it is tree. This word we have already seen it. It is ship. Okay, all of you please have a look at it. Yes, it is crow. Have all of you.
Third word not completed.
Which word? Mouse?
No, ma'am. Ma'am writing word.
This word is already there in your workbook, my dear. Haven't you completed the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I said third.
Haven't you completed? That's why I wanted to give you the answer keys. I have the answer keys here.
Ma'am, please write third.
Which third one you wanted, my dear? I have the answer keys here. I think so that may be better
Then.
instead of me writing. Yes,
Ma'am, I am finished, ma'am.
children, these answer keys are also being sent. This is just a revision session. So, yes. So all of you please have a look at it. Answers are not being sent.
Ma'am, please send the notes
Children, the notes are also being sent and the answer keys are also being sent. Then, please do check it.
Ma'am, I have finished all of it.
Yes.
I have finished
1 minute.
all of it. Ma'am, I have finished all of it. Leg.
1 minute, my dear children. The answer keys are given.
Leg.
Leg, write it.
Leg. Leg. Leg, right? This right?
Yes, my dear. Wait 1 minute. I'll give you the answer keys. Answer keys are with me.
And this what's right? The rough book.
No. You just go through it.
Gun. My hand is coming. Gun. And right.
So we have finished with it.
Gun.
Yes, here's the answer key for you.
Ma'am.
Yes. So all of you, please go through the answer keys. This is what I've sent it for you.
You have completed.
Yes, this is the answer key. This is
I'm
today's is
completed.
just a revision session. Okay, we have completed the whole chapter. The answer keys are also being sent. The exercises are also being discussed in the previous sessions. So all of you, please do go through the word as we are doing only the revision on exercise A. So some of the words are familiar. Cat we know. Only thing is it has three sounds. That is k, t, as it is a one syllable word. Similarly, can is also it has three sounds. K, n. Similarly with den, man, leg, gun, tree. All these words have only one, it is one syllable word. So we have to sound out through its individual sound. So I also taught sh, p. Okay, so you know the middle letter is should be I. Similarly, we'll move on to this word, crow. So crow, so it is C-R-O-W, it is crow. Okay, it is read, R-E-A-D, read, head, taxi, fish, park. Okay, park, park, bird, tap. All of you, please go through the words quickly. Okay, so here are the answer keys for you. Table. Table is a two-syllable word. If it is a two-syllable word, what we have to do? We have to break the syllable as we write. Bull, B-L-E. Okay, so it is a two-syllable word as it has two vowels in it. Okay, so when we write the word, break the word into syllables and you write it. Table, B-L-E. Okay, table, B-L-E, table. Similarly, class is a one-syllable word. So class. That's why I've told you to take your rough book with you. Class. Okay, similarly, horse. Horse is a two-syllable word. It is horse. Horse. It is a two-syllable word. Okay, H-O-R, horse, horse. Shoes is a one-syllable word. Shoes. And hen, pen, and dough, we have already discussed. It is an easier spelling. Okay, children? So have all of you understood only this exercise we are discussing today? So all of you please go through the words very well. Okay, all of you please have a look at all these words. Are you thorough with all these words? Have you finished this exercise? These are the answer keys for the exercise 1. That is exercise A of page 4. I hope all of you must have completed it. It has also been sent to you. Okay. So let's move on to the question paper, daily test. Let's move on to it. Have all of you learned the words? Let's move on to a question paper today. Yes? I'm going to send it in the chat box, children. All of you please wait. All of you have, yes, I'm going to paste it in the chat box. I've sent the link. Please do check in the chat box whether you have got it or what. Please do check it. Yes. Now start writing. All of you please have a look at it. Is this the question paper? You have got it? Yes or no? Please give me a thumbs up. And I wanted to see that all your audios are. Please mute your audios, all of you. All of you do mute your audios. Don't discuss the answers. So please do check whether you have got the question paper. So please do check whether it's class 2, 19, time, daily test, worksheet 2, word. Okay, now you have to write your name here. All of you please do write your name. If your parents are there, please do tell your parents to help you. Otherwise you can do it. If you know it, please do type your name and you have to click on to the correct class. Click on to class 2B. Do it. Okay. Then what we have to do, then we have to start. You have to click on to the right answer. What is that? Fill in the missing alphabet to make meaningful words. It is F dash S H. A letter is missing. That is, an alphabet is missing. So please do click on to the right alphabet which suits you well. Do it fast. First question. So you have to click on to the right option. Now let's move on to the second question. Second question is what? SH dash ES. So click on to the right option, my dear children. You have to just click. The round is given for you. So click on to it. I hope all of you are doing it. The third word is PA-K. So a letter is missing there. An alphabet is missing there. So what we have to do, we have to click on to the right alphabet which suits the word. All of you mute your audios, no discussing the answers. Now, let's move on to the fourth word, that is D-O-R. So a letter is missing there. Which letter is that? Is it O, U, or R? Click on to the right option. Children, you have to click on to the options. Okay, don't write anything. You have to click there. I hope you have understood how to do it. You have to click on to the options, Henry. Are you doing it? I hope you have understood. Just click there. You will get the answer. Then to the last word, it is hall. Sorry, it is H-R-S-E. So you have to click on to the right options, which is the right answer there. Please do click on to it. And at last, you will get a submit button. Please do click on to the submit button. That's what you have to do. Only 5 questions I've given you. So if you have finished, click on to the submit button. Okay, only few words we have discussed today. So those words I made a daily test for you so that we will have a practice of how to do it before the examinations. Now let's move on to the responses. Have you all finished, my dear children? Have all of you finished? Yes. Henry haven't sent. All of you, please do send it, children. Okay, click on to the submit button so you can view your answers. Okay, I also can view the answers here. You also can view the answers where it went wrong, everything, you will know it. Yes. So this is the answer. You can know your marks. So we have come to the end of today's session. So I hope all of you have completed it. Yes? So have you understood? Take an exercise, learn it well. So we have completed with exercise A. Now in the next session, we'll be doing exercise B, and the other exercises we'll also be doing, what is that? Worksheet 1, 2. Worksheet 1 and worksheet 2, the remaining exercises. Okay, children. So it's time for us to wind up today's session. So bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Okay, let's wind up. Thank you all. Yes. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.